Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, June 21st. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had 1, 2, 3. We actually had a fourth trade in the 6E. It was a scratch. We just got out of it because it was coming too close to the news. Wasn't moving around or anything. So I just didn't put it on the screen here because I wanted to leave a little bit more room to make these screens bigger. First trade from left to right, we had a small loser in gold. We got out of it, lost about 7, 8, 9 ticks. We had a nice winner in crude and a nice winner in the ES, and I'm going to run through everything here. Now, we were short in the ES. You'll see here at 10 o'clock, and this thing was still going. This crude trade triggered up here. And I told everybody to stick with the ES trade because I said it still had further to go. But if you were out of that and you wanted to take this, you could take this. So some people did not take this trade because they were in the ES. But for those who did, we got long. It was around 47.7, 47.6. We added at 45.6. And when it came up here, average was about 46.6, 46.7. As soon as it came up here, it was 11 o'clock. I said, look, likely this thing's going up. Okay, but I said if you have to go or you don't want to sit in it or whatever, just take the 6 or 7 penny loss. When it comes up here, 46, 46.1, make sure you're out of the trade, which it was. Otherwise, if you want to stick with it, stick with it. Now, for those who stuck with it, you'll see here it did easily go up and it hit our average. That was about an hour later, and I told everybody you have to be able to sit here because this might take a long time. So break even for some people who stuck with it. Small loss, 6, 7 ticks for those who just wanted to get out and call it a day. And that was our gold trade. In the crude, we had an awesome trade. We had a power play long, and that was, get you the price on that. That was at 43.73. 43.73. Shot up. Crude news came in. We got into a risk-free trade before the news. Okay, and I told everybody if it keeps going, it's going to keep going. Said it was likely going into the 20s. It hit 44.20 exactly. And that trade made up to 40 plus ticks. Some people just had their targets sitting there. So up to 40 plus ticks on that trade. Just a wonderful trade in crude. And then in the ES, we got short on an understanding trade. We got short at 24.34.50 at 10:03 Central Standard Time. Trade went down. Had my target right here, and trade made up to about up to 3+ points. Okay, and at least for the time we were in here, it didn't go any lower. Back in the afternoon, it came down lower. But while we were in here, we got up to 3 points on that trade. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.